Hello, my name's Daniel here at Blackburn Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this brand new Audi SQ5 Black Edition finished in Daytona Grey. This SQ5 features the 3-litre TFSI petrol engine paired with the Tronic automatic gearbox and quattro all-wheel drive system, delivering a very impressive driving experience. It does sit nicely on 21-inch alloy wheels, and it features matrix LED headlights which light up the road nicely. Taking a look in the boot, you will find 475 litres of space. This can be increased to 1,446 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear, you have the gorgeous black leather interior. It features ISOFIX points on the outer seats, allowing you to easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. Up front, you'll find the leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Moving around to the front seats, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable behind the wheel. On the multifunction steering wheel, to the left you have controls for the virtual cockpit, and to the right you'll find controls to adjust the infotainment system. On the virtual cockpit, you've got access to different driving data like your fuel consumption, as well as your audio, telephone and navigation menus. Centered here in the dashboard, you have the touchscreen MMI, providing you with access to DAB and FM radio, or alternatively, you can also play your own music with USB and Bluetooth connectivity. There's navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to all new places with ease. There's the Bluetooth telephone menu, and the system is also compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to keep well connected with your phone. Also on the display you will find the 3-zone automatic climate control. You have heated and ventilated front seats, as well as a heated steering wheel to keep you at the perfect temperature no matter the weather. Throughout the interior you have the fantastic Bang & Olufsen sound system, which makes listening to music even more enjoyable. This SQ5 does come fitted with front and rear parking sensors and a 360 camera, making parking super easy. The front passenger also has their own dedicated touchscreen display, allowing them to access a range of different features. In the centre console you'll find a wireless phone charger, along with your automatic gear selector and 2 cup holders. Thanks for watching this walk around video of this brand new Audi SQ5 Black Edition finished in Daytona Grey. For more information, please get in contact with a member of our sales team who'd be more than happy to help with your inquiry.